It's me, Twilight. Twilight Speckle.
It's me, Spoik. Twilight, can I help?
No, you cannot open anything.
But look. I got this little packaging. Can I open it?
Fine.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna let you guys see what's inside of it. As if I already didn't see what was inside of it. Okay, let's pour it out. It's Applejack! And a note. Got Applejack. Wow, this is so beautiful. Wow. Okay, let's just move the camera down a little bit more. So that's our first product of today. And I'm going to read the note to everybody. Thank you for your purchase. I hope you enjoy your Applejack. Packaged with good care. With care, I mean. If you guys want to read that yourself. So this was like a specially written message, or do they just say that every time somebody buys an Applejack? Do they just have those? Because they had multiple Applejacks on the listing. But anyways, I'm going to open the big package now. No, y'all not. I'm opening it. Go back, Applejack. Let's see what's in this big boy. Big boy. I'm going to open it on the good side. Oh, Lord. It popped. It popped like a go weasel. Uh-oh. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, God. Well, here it is. The packaging of all packaging. Look at all of the mixed ponies and the mixed pony bag. I'm going to take one out one by one. We're going to start with the small ones. I see a Minty. Or should I start with the questionnaire, girl? Mine's fine. Rarity. Zesty, I believe her name is like Zesty something. We got Zesty, Rarity. I needed another Rarity. And we got Fluttershy, what seems to be a Sci-Twi outfit. Maybe, I don't know. I just think because of the lab coat in. Now we're going to get on to the G3s. Okay, question. Let's go back inside the box. Applejack stand next to the G3s. We got G3 Pinkie Pie. I think this is Pinkie Pie. I don't know. Might be somebody else. I actually don't know. It doesn't look like Pinkie Pie. I mean, I just know that one of them is a Scooby from G3. We have girl number 2. And I believe the last one is Studio. I believe. But I'm not really educated on G3, so I could care less. Look at this. Look who I got. I got the cutie mark Crusaders. Now you may be like, where's Sweetie Belle? She's right here. Cutie mark Crusaders. Let's get their siblings out here. And I know Rainbow Dash and Sweetie Belle, and Scooby-Doo aren't siblings, but you know, good enough. Ugh. Over there, we got Pink Celestia. I am the queen of the pink. Don't know why she's pink. I forgot, but you know, it's cute. She can flap the wings. She can't actually flap the wings. I just did that. Let's get our second Alicorn out of here. Princess Alicorn, Twilight Sparkle. Why did I say that with ease? Nobody knows. We have Jirly. We have another Rarity. No, this set comes with two of the same ponies sometimes. We have 2 Pinkie Pies. This one is braided Pinkie Pie. This one is kind of braided Pinkie Pie. I don't know why Pinkie Pie has that kind of hairstyle. Then here's one of my favorites out of this set. Unicorn Twilight. Look at that. Look at that. She's a unicorn. Then we have Fluttershy. Hi. Then the rest of it is minifigures of characters that I hardly know. Oh wait, no, I just don't know the man, but he's gonna be like, he's gonna be somebody's child. I don't know, maybe somebody's brother. But this one is Minty. Hi, Minty. Rarity, but she's raritied. And Pinky Glitter Pie Girl. And then there's a shoe from that I think is supposed to go on Fluttershy or something. I saw on the listing that Fluttershy was supposed to wear shoes. Yeah, okay. Let me find another shoe for Fluttershy. Look at her. Look at that. Look at the beautiful Fluttershy. But anyways, these are my favorite parts. Applejack didn't come with the set. She was the only part of the main 6 that didn't come with the set. So I just decided, hey, why not just buy her separately? There's the other shoe for Fluttershy. But anyways, this stuff I'm probably not going to really use, except for these. I'm probably going to use them for, like, later. I don't know what, you don't even know what I mean by later. I mean later in the YouTube series. I might bring back Todd Equestrian Trip. Alicorn, Twilight, so beautiful. But anyways, we got a lot of ponies now, so not as if I didn't already have, like, 16 of them. There's, like, more. My favorite part is kind of like the Cutie Mark Crusaders, because, you know, I always wanted a Scootaloo and an Apple Bloom. Nothing. Scootaloo, I want to go to the bar. But we ain't got no money. We gonna steal from Big Pie. Big Pie. Big Pie. What do you want? Can you give us some money? And can you drive us to the mall? Fine, come on. Come on, Felix. Come on. On the way to the mall. Oh, wait, none of them can fly. Ah, my back! I thought I had wings. Why can't I fly? Shut up, sweetie, whatever your name is. Belle, Apple, Zoom Boom, Scooter, whatever your name. We're here at the mall, everybody. Okay, I'm going to buy this. Now we're going to suffocate you and steal your money. We gotta go. We just committed murder. Run. Anyways, I'm really happy with this purchase that I have made today for all these figures in a box. So now they all sitting there. Thank you guys for watching. Somebody help me, Twilight keeps beating me. Shut up, Spick! I'm about to go out today, so I might film a short video with the figures today. But I think I'm going outside today. Like, in a car. To go on a drive, you know. I'm going to eat some mango and some pizza. Good mango. Also, if you guys are wondering when I got Spike and Twilight, and why I didn't make a video about them, because I found them randomly when I was at a thrift store. It's the same thrift store that I found Luna at. So somebody at the thrift store has a major obsession with Build-A-Bear ponies. But anyways, I'll see y'all if I make a Figuretopia video. But what's funny, this morning I was like, I'll make a new video when the figures come. And then I check outside and my packages are already here when they said they were coming on the 20th. And I'm like, boy, you don't. But anyways, that's what I was like, boy, you don't get. The only ones that didn't come was the special edition Broppy thing. It's not really called Broppy. It's a glittery branch and Poppy. But not like glittery how they were in the Coronation set. Like glittery as in like their clothes are glittery. I got a good deal on it. So, yeah. Okay, see y'all, I guess, later.